I just picked up the Fiskars handsaw and I want to show you the importance and how easy this is to use. The trees that we haven't done anything with. The reason why you would want to use a handsaw like that is because with these skinnier ones you can use pruners, but if you have a thicker one like this, it's going to be really difficult. You might be able to get it, but it'd be a lot easier with a handsaw. And in the back, this is what we've been doing. This is an absolute graveyard. I can't imagine using pruners to try to deal with something like this, especially this one in the back. Now, the reason you might want to use a handsaw instead of a chainsaw is because you don't have a chainsaw and you just want to be able to knock these bigger ones. Yeah, granted, it'll take you, maybe a minute, couple minutes on it, depending on how thick it is. But it's a lot easier than it's a lot easier to do this if you're not familiar with using a chainsaw. A lot of people like this because it's exceptionally good at cutting through thick branches, and it has a comfortable D handle that you can actually remove the screws on to replace the blade if it ever starts wearing away. The handle might be a deal breaker for some since it is on the bulkier side, but it is very durable. The other downside is it's obviously a hand-powered tool, so it's not going to be as easy as using a chainsaw, but absolutely and perfectly fine if you don't feel like investing in one. I actually have a chainsaw, but I didn't feel like bringing it out because sometimes it's not really that big of a deal. As you can see, this cuts very efficiently and it's been doing absolute wonders. If you don't want to deal with having a chainsaw and you just want something quick and dirty, I would say, yeah, 100%. Have it in your tool shed. I'll put a link down below so you can get that. And if you enjoyed what you saw in this video, then please like and subscribe.